In this first section here, we're going to look at three subtopics here. Solving absolute value equations, solving compound inequalities, which means more than one inequality, and then solving absolute value inequalities, which are a little bit tougher. First one we're going to look at is number 4. We're going to look at solving absolute value equations. And number 4, if you notice, we have the absolute value of something is equal to a positive 1. Now, in order for you, there can be problems here that give you no solution. If you have the absolute value of something was equal to a negative, that can't happen because when we take the absolute value of something, it's always positive. Okay, the absolute value of like 2 is 2, and the absolute value of negative 5 is 5, so it's always positive. Okay, so we gotta, in order to get solutions, we gotta have a positive number right over here, which we do in this case of positive 1. So if you think about what numbers have an absolute value of 1, well, that could be either negative 1 or 1. So it kind of creates two cases, and we're going to take what's inside absolute value, which is m over 3, and we're going to set it equal to 1 or m over 3 could equal negative 1. And then we kind of have to solve each of those two cases, which is going to give us two answers here. So if we look at this top one, we have m over 3 equals 1. To get m alone, we're going to multiply by 3, which would give us m is equal to 3. If we look at the bottom one, where we have m over 3 is equal to negative 1, we're also going to try and get m alone down there. And we're going to multiply by 3. So now I have m is equal to negative 1 times 3 here, which would be m equals negative 3. So we really write our answers as an or statement, m equals 3 or m equals negative 3.